I purchased this Anderson Tribeca keyed outside trim for patio door lock because the one that the customer had the key free spinning and the tailpiece was completely disconnected from it. There are two little ears that connect this tailpiece to the gearing that connects to the cylinder, and they had snapped off. Now, unfortunately, I mistakenly purchased the right-hand version and I need the left-hand version, meaning the timing is going to be off. I'm going to need it to be straight up and down when I turn it all the way to the right, but when I turn it all the way to the left. And already had this open. They were nice enough to not put the timing marks on there for the left-handed version, so you'd think you'd have to buy the other one, which you absolutely do not. Now, the way this works, you have the cylinder, and this little gear sits on top of that. Then we have a little plastic spacer. Whoops. This gear right here, which connects via these little ears over there, like so. Now, the old version actually did not have this flat part all the way around. You only had the two little ears, which is why they came off. Now, for the right-handed version, you align this arrow up here with the top gear and that R with the bottom when there's no key inserted. In order to change it to left-handed, we're basically going to have to go from this arrangement to this arrangement, meaning we're going to have to move this over 1, 2, 3 notches right there, and then when we turn all the way to the left, it's straight up and down. And they really could have put the marks on there. Oh well. Overall, it's actually not too bad of a lock for a patio door. The one that I'm fixing is supposedly 20 years old. So, yeah, if you buy the wrong one, you can change it yourself.